It's the medical device that's become so effective it's now being used to help treat those with COVID-19, and it's managed to transform a small Tweed business into a large-scale manufacturer.
A hands-on approach to a handy device.
It actually helps to remove the mucus and blockages within the lungs that are created from multiple conditions, respiratory conditions over time.
Used in hospitals, demand for the device has skyrocketed during COVID, transforming AirPhysio almost overnight.
When I started, there was probably 3 of us and we worked out of Paulie's garage and his lounge room.
The capability we've gone from, we got excited in 2020 of doing 2,500 devices in a week, to our top production was 14,000 devices in a day.
In the space of 8 months last year, staff has grown from 15 to 130. In 12 months, exporting went from 5 countries to 85. Paul O'Brien has partnered with local manufacturer Amec Plastics to produce the mouldings, but prefers to keep his assembly and inspection in the capable hands of his Tweed staff. The product has now been sent to a university in Dubai for a long COVID study.
They're actually in the process of actually starting that up for us. So I'll be very interested to see what the findings are in about 3 months' time.
And sitting up in production making these devices, you don't realise, that you're actually making a difference. Just knowing that we are helping change people's lives has been really cool.
Josh Riberich, 7 Gold Coast News.